In this video, I'm going to show you how to estimate shipping fees on SugarGoo. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their website, you want to click on up top where it says shipping fee estimation, and then in here, you want to put in a few information. So the first thing is here, it's going to say select a country or region. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a country over here. Let's just do Austria for this one. And then here you have to select your province or state. For this, I'm just going to use Tyrol. And then here for select a product category, of course, you want to select your product category. I'm just going to do clothes common. Now, of course, for yourself, you want to put in your exact information to get the best estimates. Okay, so make sure you do yourself your own info in here. And then here you have to put in the product weight. Now, make sure you do know this as well as the length, width, and height of the product you ordered. You could usually find this on the product page when you are ordering it. So that's the best way to find it. Or, of course, when you actually order already, you may have that info as well inside your order history under your orders. Okay, here, so type that in. I'm going to do 300 grams here. The length, I'm going to do 12, and then 15, and then 12 again. I'm going to click on estimate, and of course, make sure again you do your own numbers in here, because only that way you will get the best estimate. And then down here, as you can see, you'll be able to basically estimate the shipping fees and the shipping times, and it's going to show you different fees that will, of course, cost you if you are using any of the available shipping services over here. So that's how to basically do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.